Alright, so
What?
alright, so hi you guys, this is Melissa Janae, and today I'll be doing something a little different what I don't usually do on my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my niece's hair. You don't want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Rosario, which is my Titi niece.
What? No, I'm the auntie.
And
What are we doing today?
we are doing my hair just like braids, but it's black with some little tiny braids.
No, we're not doing little tiny braids. We're doing medium braids.
Yes, that's what we're doing. And when we get finished, we gonna make some slime, what we're gonna show you right now. Let's get started.
No, we're not gonna do the slime now. You sound better than me at this. But we are gonna get started on her hair. But before I get to shampooing and washing it, I want to show you her hair because she has really thick hair, just like her dad, my brother, has really thick hair. So let me show you guys.
The back is really flat to my head.
It's matted down.
It's matted down at the back, but
Yeah, I just want to show you guys just like how thick her hair is. It's really thick. And I want to say my hair is like a 4C. I don't know if there's a 4D, but if there is, hers is a 4D. Again, her dad hair is just like this. I told him he should lock her hair up. She got the perfect hair for it, but he don't want to do that.
But by the way, subscribe that like button, click on the website, and go to the video.
Yeah, what she said. So I'm gonna wash and condition her hair.
What we gonna do? After that, we gonna blow dry it and flatten it. And then it's the hairstyles we gonna use for my hair.
It's the shampoo.
This is the shampoo to untangle my hair.
I've never used this before, but this is what my brother wanted me to use on her hair.
Cause it untangle your hair.
And then we have the detangler.
I know it looked the same.
By All Natural, Dark and Lovely. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And we'll be back. So I've already started braiding her hair in the back. Turn that way. I'm going to say I got like 8 more rows to do because I'm not trying to put too much hair on her head so she can have a lot of weight on her head. It's really just a protective style until I convince my brother to lock her hair up. But anywho, I'm going to be using this hair. This easy braid. 16 inches, like I said. She's still young, so I really don't want her hair that long. And then I got some pink hair that I'm just going to add in. It's not going to be a lot because I know how schools are. So it's just going to be like a little bit. Teeny tiny bit. Maybe like 1 in this row and 1 in the middle row. Maybe like 4 or 5 braids that, not a full pink braid that has the pink in it. And well, I've been using this Shea Moisture jojoba oil, braid up conditioning gel, and Cream of Nature argan oil. Just to sleek her hair down a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the next the next row. And I just like to do this because it is a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, so it softens her hair up a bit. And also I try to put it all the way down to from the roots to the tip, just so while her hair is in this style that it'll be still conditioned and healthy. Just because I didn't like how short that the braid will be with this, and I do this with my own hair. I split it up, and then I'll move one down longer, then I'll split it in half again, and then move it down longer, and then just see where it is. And it's longer, and it still has the little fade down. So I'm just going to do the same thing that I do with the hair so that it's longer. And then I'm going to do it over again with the hair. Okay, so I'm finished with her whole head, and now I'm gonna seal the ends. And I braided it up because she doesn't want them straight. They're gonna have like a little wave to them at the end. So I have the water, burning hot water, so be still. And I'm gonna dip the ends in here to seal the ends. Put your hair back. And leave it in there for a little bit. And then I'm just gonna let this dry. In the meantime, I'm gonna oil her scalp. All right, come closer. Put your head down. Move, move, move. Sit up. Turn around. Put your head back up. Now come closer.